What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and I have finally upgraded my dashboard with the LAMTTO 10.25-inch smart screen, and honestly, it's a total game changer for my daily drive. The first thing you'd notice is this stunning in-cell display at about 1080p. It's ultra thin, incredibly sharp, and way more responsive than the laggy screens that I've previously used. While it handles wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto quite flawlessly, the real win is the built-in entertainment hub. I just connect my phone's hotspot and I can stream Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus pretty much directly on the unit without even touching my phone's battery. It even supports a smooth split screen mode, so I can keep my navigation up on one side while my passenger can watch a movie on the go. Although that's not recommended. If there is a distraction, you have to be really cautious. Try and just keep the car static if you are looking into watching media, but if there's any distraction, you have to be very careful. But for audio, it's really cool. Spotify and all that sort of stuff works perfectly fine. For audio in general, I'm using dual Bluetooth setup to send everything straight to my car's factory speakers, but you also have FM, aux, and built-in options available as well. It even came with a high-definition back camera with night vision that automatically triggers the moment I hit reverse. I also love that I could customize the boot logo with a personal photo from the SD card. With the OTA wireless updates, keeping the apps fresh and the OS up and running, which is AI OS, it feels like an accessory and most like a high-end overhaul for my car. So if you have any such cars that you're looking to upgrade using this device, you should definitely consider this LAMTTO 10.25-inch smart screen. Beyond just the hardware, what really impressed me was the peace of mind that comes with it. That knowing that I have a 7-day-a-week professional support and 30-day return policy made the setup totally stress-free. Whether it's rain or fog, the HD rear camera stays crystal clear, making parking way safer than before. But you can also have this installed internally rather than externally. You have your options available. Honestly, if you're looking to modernize your ride with premium features like dual-band Wi-Fi, instant OTA updates without spending thousands at a dealership, this is the way to do it. Looks sleek, it's reliable, and it has genuinely made every trip from my morning commute to long road trips a lot more enjoyable. Any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out and subscribe to MyNextBest. Cheers, bye.